Tesla creates clever solution to simplify and improve its service. Hey there everyone, Torque News fans and Tesla enthusiasts. Welcome to TorqueNews.com YouTube channel, your late night pit stop for just the juiciest of innovations and some Tesla news. I'm Armen Hareyan, your guide from TorqueNews.com, and it's past 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in Charlotte, North Carolina on August 7, 2025. Buckle up because tonight we're peeling back the hood on a Tesla service saga that got fans cheering, critics grumbling, and a mystery begging to be solved. Are you ready to rev up this? Let's hit the gas. So picture this. Tesla reporters at Tesla Radio dropped a kind of bombshell type of thing on X. They're hyping a clever solution Tesla's cooking up to streamline its service game, building on a 2023 Journal of Cleaner Production study that says Tesla's remote diagnostics shave off 30% of service time compared to old school car makers. That's right. Your car's glitch could be fixed while you're sipping a double espresso, no dealership dungeon required, and get this. In 2022, Tesla rolled out mobile service like a SWAT team for your driveway, cutting shop visits by 40%. Pretty slick, huh? But here's the cliffhanger. Tesla says it's not enough. They're calling for more service centers and mobile crews, labeling it very important. Why the urgency? Stick with me because these rides about get even bumpier. Let's take numbers to fuel the fire. Tesla delivered 1.8 million vehicles in 2024. Boom, a record. By their global service network, only 500 service centers as of October 2024. That's a lot of Teslas chasing too few pit stops. No wonder some owners are feeling the strain. Over on X, the comments are a roller coaster. Take Sean Politics, who's all in. He says, absolutely, increasing the number of service centers would enhance accessibility and convenience for all Tesla owners. Love the optimism. And another person chimes in with, expanding service centers would greatly enhance customer satisfaction and efficiency. Straight to the point. Even better, Janice Hovey dropped a gem saying, they just opened a service center in Birmingham, Alabama, a shiny new beacon for Southern Tesla fans. But hold on, not everyone's popping champagne. Tim Rankin from Toronto, a 9-year Tesla vet, lays it bare saying it never improved. In fact, it got worse as they went down market with Model Y and Model 3. Too many poorly built vehicles for the service capacity. Ouch. And Blaze adds fuel saying we need more competent technicians, a cry for quality amidst the quantity. If you have ever used Tesla service, let me know your thoughts. How was your experience? So what's the verdict? Tesla service is a high-tech marvel, remote fixes, mobile crews, but it's stretching thin with that 1.8 million car juggernaut. Expanding those 500 centers could be the turbo boost they need, turning skeptics like Tim into raving fans. With new buyers like Peter Kay eyeing a Tesla in a year or two, the clock's ticking. Is this a triumph of innovation or a service network on the brink, friends? So what's your take, dear Torque News fans? Hit me with your Tesla service stories in the comments. I would like to hear good, bad, or epic fails, your Tesla service stories, and so we know whether service has improved or it's still as it used to be. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. If you like this report, please give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and I look forward to hearing your Tesla service stories. God bless you, everyone. Visit us at TorqueNews.com for interesting car stories, and I'll see you soon in our next report.